Hey guys, welcome to Vdkar channel, auto glass replacement techniques and trading. Today we're gonna put a new windshield on this one. It's a 2020 Outback Subaru. Glass. Remember, if you don't own the tool is designed by Jammer to remove the clips on these ones, so you can use remember always one is gonna stay here, but you can open this little axis over here just to remove it, just by your hands. That's all. After that, remember, we're gonna disconnect another hose right here. They're already stopped, so it's not about those clips we say before. You're gonna use the 6. There you go, right there. There you go. You hit the click. It's out. The second one. You hit that click. Remember, it's gonna stay the clip right there. You gotta take them off after this. Now this one is a little tight. There you go. A little more. So we remove another one. Soon you hear that click, it's because the clip is out of the space right there. Okay, this guy. So we're gonna corner the same like the other ones. No difficult. Don't break. I mean, easy. These clips right here, these ones or these guys will be losing really bad. People don't like that. And that's all for the cow. Okay. The heater line. Alright, that's all. So remember, this one doesn't change too much. The only exposed area we have is that one right there. You can use this guy, one of the insert lines, just to avoid any contact with the pitch wheel. But it's really small area right here. The rest is good. Okay, now this one, let's go with the mirror. Move this guy a little bit like that, and that's all. Okay, on the rest we're going to use the orange mat. In this case mine is black. Remember, one edition is coming in black when you custom the order. Pull it out. Under the wire. Now you have the line a little bit, you see. Now make sure you don't catch the line. There you go. Now let's go to the second one. The only we have to do now is just change the angle. And to me, I like more cut with this one because this one make more tension. The other one is easy. So we're gonna lock this guy and we cut with the other one. More because we have the clip in the corners. And that's all. Okay, now remember, as we see in this little sticker, it say don't touch. We cannot touch any part on the lens. No clean, not touch, nothing. You gotta get your hands out of that lens, or you touch it, they're being damaged. Okay, under here, just make sure you got the right height in this part. because that part fell slide down a little bit, not much. You see the hood is perfectly safe, no damage, no dents, nothing right there, you see. And we got the same part right here. Now we're gonna up this guy and take it out. And here, all we're gonna do, we're gonna close outside, okay? We're gonna sit on the wheel, right there. We're gonna find our VIN number, sit one side. We got the gravity stop right here. They catch already the hole. And the second hole, and that's all. This kind of stuff is like everywhere around the car. I don't know what it is, but it's probably spit by the roads when they're driving behind some 18-wheelers or whatever. So I'm gonna clean it up, but it's not a glue, it's just something else. But I got the cleaners, and now I'm gonna push it down a little bit. There you go. Just gentle, not too much pressure, just enough to expand in the B. People think when you hit or just spank the glass like this, you get the air bubbles out, and that's not true. You got air bubbles inside, it's because the glue is not good. That's only happening when the factory made the glue, when you got bubbles in the glue. So remember, this gravity stop keep the glass on just one spot. We cannot go more that way or this way, up and down. It's just one spot. And that's all. Okay, and now I'm gonna remove this cover. Remember, don't touch anything on the lens. And that's all. Okay guys, and we finished. Okay, the rest we're gonna put all parts together. You see, nothing is broken, so we're back on the same way. Been coming from the OEM, and we finished. Okay guys, so remember, this one was Luis from Vdkar Auto Glass Replacement Techniques and Training. So we're gonna see you in the next shots. We got more jobs to do. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.